What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got the car that's been forgotten for a little bit too long, and also the man that's been forgotten. We have Brian and the 300 finally back. What are we doing today?
So for a gift sponsored by Speed Slayers, we got some BC Coilovers coming in onto the car. So right now we have it all jacked up, ready to go. You've already seen us do this work, so we're just gonna go ahead and show you how it looks on the 300, and then after that we'll show you the coils that we got for this.
Will there be a license plate in this box?
Yes.
Yes? Alright. So first of all, we're gonna start off with the removal of these old clapped out shocks. Hopefully none of these bolts are too rusted up. And then we finally get to install some brand new stuff. So let's get to it. No.
Stubbies. Okay.
Hey, no. You okay?
Yep.
You bleeding?
No, it was just grime.
Jesus. Alright, so everything's free now. Whoa, trying to knock that off, huh?
Mallet or hammer?
Oh, oh. Absolutely everything fell.
Yep.
Okay. You need me to lower it?
Yeah.
Which would be the best way?
It'll be your way. There's no way to disconnect that.
Haha. That's bad. That's bad.
What happened to the washer?
Wow. This is sad. Why you gotta give me the finger? Will the impact fit?
Yeah, I'll put it here. Why are you there? I told you we need to do safety procedures. You see, this is why you get smacked in the face.
What?
Huh?
What it?
You're down here when you gotta put it. This thing is loaded.
Oh.
And this guy over here trying to take his face.
Give me the potatoes.
Go. Where's it?
I see?
No, that's not safe.
Where?
I think it's supposed to be under here.
Yeah.
Why you put it over there then?
You're pushing the jack. You're in control of it.
I was trying to grab it to pull it over here.
Then grab it.
Grab the Duma.
It's just gonna slide off of here, dude.
It's called safety.
Then why was it so hard?
Because you over here think you're the boss. There can't be two with Jeff is.
My name is Jim. Jeff. More?
Ah. There. Raise it up.
Did you just die?
Raise it up.
Raise it.
One. Ah, that's too much. No, that's good. Do it. Alright, go. Now, play with your life.
Give her the Duma.
Yeah.
Do you have a hammer?
I didn't bring it. Did you?
No.
I don't even think the hammer will work. Put the thingy with the... Here. It's right here. Here, you want this? It's called a monkey wrench.
For what?
For hitting.
Hitting what? No, this doesn't go in anymore.
Oh, okay, never mind then. Forget what I said. This thing is short shaft, huh?
Short shaft.
That's a short shaft.
I need some sockets to figure out what this is.
What do you think it is?
This is why I'm the Jeff A.
You're not even the Jeff A.
Why are you handing me the tools then?
So I don't fit under the car. Jack it too low. Putting stuff in front of the camera. What you trying to see? What you trying to do? No one can even see what you're trying to do.
I can't even see what I'm trying to do.
No one knows what you're trying to do. No one. Okay, go.
Give me the finger!
Grab your SpongeBob arms. Yeah, you loosen it. I said loosen, not take off. Come on.
Alright.
What are you doing? Pull it out. Come on, banana arms.
You know I don't like bananas.
Banana arms. Come on. Here, use the monkey wrench. How's I able to do it and you not? It's because you need bananas. Banana arm. Back! Alright. Where's the other piece?
I don't know. Alright. Drop it now?
Yeah. No.
No.
Yeah. Careful. Oh my god, that's it. Te digo, y no más caso. And yet, come on. Yeah, it's already down. Drop it.
Alright. What?
Jack,
It's in the way or what?
it fell out my hand.
Is it out?
Yeah. I'm grabbing it if you want to know.
Is it going your way or my way?
My way. Why do I want it in the car?
Because I can take it out this way, también.
Alright, here, come on.
Alright.
Take it back.
Here. Everything's just crusty in there.
You're crusty, you clown.
And I was in there.
That's gross. I got stickers.
Wait, no license plate?
No license plate.
Robbed. Got your tools there. Nice. Anything else in the box?
My hopes and dreams.
Nothing?
Alright, well, it's getting late in the day. I think we'll continue this tomorrow.
We're not gonna leave her like this. So, are we gonna mess with height right now? Or are we just gonna throw them as is and see where it lands us? Alright. Sounds good. Front or back?
Front.
Alright.
Just to be disappointed.
You don't need it.
Ah, this one doesn't have side markers.
It's good. So I got the shotgun with the plates on. So now I gotta put these back together somehow. And then jack it up. Like my job. How did I do? How did I do?
Alright, sounds good.
Do we want to double check this right now?
I honestly don't think it's gonna fix it.
Oh no.
What? What?
Oh, we gotta push this up. Never mind.
Oh
I'm
my,
done.
what are you talking about?
I'm dumb.
Yes.
Ow. Oh god.
What's next?
We're gonna do end links at the end.
Okay.
Because if we do this end, the other end is gonna be hard.
Oh, that is true.
So we're gonna do this.
Simultaneously.
So should I push it from up here?
What are we doing?
This bolt.
Okay.
So push from up here instead.
Yeah.
So lower it. I'm blinded and stuck.
Ooh, I wouldn't go that way if I were you.
Huh?
There.
It Well, that's it.
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. Now Adrian gets to do the other side by himself.
Impossible.
Yay! Well, Brian goes for the pizza. We're not talkative right now because we just had lunch.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yes! No! Yes. Barely cleared. Now I'm nervous for the front. I wonder if we need ramps for this.
No, it doesn't sit that bad.
No!
No? Well, there goes the engine, guys.
Kind of whack.
Kind of whack. Is it because it's whack on tires?
Oh.
Whack on wheels? It's fine. It does what it needs to do.
Is it lower than before?
Yeah.
I didn't do no before and after.
It's lower than before.
We're
There's
gonna have
before
to-
videos.
We gotta pull up an old video of what it looked like.
Yeah, we need to pull up an old video right here. But we're still getting a lip for it. And then on top of that, we're getting bigger wheels, which will fill in this gap. No. Yeah. Getting bigger wheels, so fill in the gaps. Right now we're still deciding on our off time.
Oh wait, we're gonna go on 18, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna go on 18. So it needs. I think this is the. I think it's gonna stay like this. We're not even readjusting.
Alright, well, that's gonna be it for today. Easiest install of coils that I've done. I don't know about you.
Yeah, easiest.
About the same. Like we started like around 1?
I think we finished before 4
3 hours?
with video.
With video. Yeah, normally anytime, they probably know if they've been watching, we always finish at nighttime. So we're done. It's a good dailyable ride height. But yeah, wait until that's done. We'll see what's next for this car. For, I guess, the next couple months, it's gonna be just focusing on the 300, getting it driving again. We got a track day coming up in November, which the Civic is fine now. FRS we're gonna leave as is. Main focus on this. So it's probably just gonna be a lot of IS300 content. Every other week on Friday around 8 a.m. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see with the 300 build. We might take some of your opinions into consideration. Maybe not.
Also looking for a backup driver.
Oh yeah.
We might be running into a new project soon. So backup drivers always welcome.
Another one? Another one? Alright, peace out. Later.